Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share WhatsApp app link on Google. Let's start. At first you have to go to your WhatsApp app. Then if you already have a group and you want to share it on Google app, then tap on the group. Now tap on here, then scroll like this, and then you guys can find out invite via link. If you tap on here, then you guys can find out copy link. If you tap on here, then this link will be copied. And now let's go back, and you have to go to the Google app. Now if you write shared WhatsApp group link on Google, then you guys can find out this link, thegrouplink.com. If you tap on here, then you guys can submit your WhatsApp group invite link. In here they will ask some information. For example, they will ask your email address. You have to put your email address here. Then you have to put your name here. Then you have to add your group name. Now put the link that you have copied right now. Now they will ask you what's the category of your group. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And then in here you have to write about your group. Now if you tap on submit, then you guys can share your WhatsApp group link. So this is how you guys can share your WhatsApp group link on Google app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day to videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.